Hello, croeso i part 2 of the Sunday stream. Sa'n i'n watcha fi. Mae'r het yn... What's that? Okay, just gonna play some unranked. Oh, Nada. Oh, ideal, okay, so behind you. Easy. Easy. Mm. Other than... Oh, shit! Iawn. Took a het.
Score 1-0.
Mae yna method to my madness efo'r het ma. Mae gen i fi ddau gola reit intense efo yma. So pan dwi'n gaming hard fatha hwn, so dwi'n cael touch llai o ola yn llgada fi. So... Hyn di'r test heddiw, nes i drio fo gynna. Ella sy'n fo'n handi i fi hefyd. Hwn yn y stream, mae o'n efo'r sgwrs y het. Da i'n gwybod he's down to business. Bastard! Bastard ich! Lle di'r cymeriad yma ddim y cymeriad gora. Bastard. Bastard eich. Dwi'n edrych i gael weekend neis. Ond, highlights weekend chi rwan. Watcha fi chwarae Overwatch. Shit. Dwi'n bod yn Llundan. Yn aros, sgynnu fi... Oce. Dwi'n ail wneud hynna i gyd. GG. Llundan? Y London town ta yn y suburbs ysdi. Ealing. Tu fewn yr M20... Yr M25 ydy y ring road, ia? Ti'n mynd rownd. Fe'n neud, ia? Oedd o'n crazy night out ta oedd o'n cozy night in. Dwi fod yn ail wneud set-up fi yma. Cos, eisiau bron brynu XLR, Go XLR neithiwr. So, mae hynna stupid o'r response.
Together that strikes him down.
Maybe one day we can in Hawaii.
Only in unity will we find strength.
Watch your flanks. They might try something.
Pub am 3 gloch, escape room am 5. Pub te am 7. Pub arall, dessert parlour, dwi'n gorffen efo board game yn y tŷ am 1:45. Cael. Yn pretty intense.
You did not scare me. Do your worst.
Pam da chi'n dal yn ôl? Mae tîm i reid shit yma. Come on. Start, lle mae hein? Dwi'n licio'r gêm. Dwi'n licio'r gêm.
I learned from my mistakes.
Fel a sy'n ei atab o. Dwi'n licio'r gêm.
Stop the payload.
Dwi'n trio ddim cwyno amdano fo. Ynddo, dwi'n meddwl oedd yn... Wel, oedd yr... So, oedd o'n 6 oed Overwatch. Mae'n gem gynt wan de. Ond cos mae'n gem newid mae lot o bobl wedi jumpio fewn. So obviously awesome. Fucking hell. Mae pobl mewn a just Call of Duty dio. Dwi'n mynd dall y concept. Fel arfer dwi yn... Y tîm dwi'n meddwl yn hollol bollocks. Ai, 6 mlynedd. So, bydd o'n 5v5 fan yn lle 6v6, sef y game's lot cynt. Ond, it's frustrating ydi, ti... Oh my god. Mae pobl yn meddwl fod nhw'n... So, dwi'n chwarae support a tank. Cos mae DPS yn meddwl fod nhw'n fuck o voice. Mae'n rei pobl yn fucking awful yn y gem o, ie. Fuck, da ni. Flipping hell. Ia, ond mae yna rei fatha, o'n i'n gem bore yma. A o'n i'n support. A gofio ni, tank. Ac yn boi DPS. Just yn jumpio rhwng lle. O'n i'n support. Fi ei boi arall yn support. Ac oedd y boys yn... Sa'n neb yn cael yn byd fyna. Ac oedd yn gweithio... Oedd yn reid yn y chat yda... O, mae support yn shit, felly. Oedd o'n fflio i ffwrdd. Dwi'n mynd type in y chat. I don't look at the chat. Gys i rhywun yn galw fi'n... yn... Seasucker mwyn unwaith ddoe o'r tîm arall yn dweud pam ti lladd fi po to and dwi'n dweud that's the name of the game ie dwi'n dweud yn well na chdi ie dwi'n dweud na just dweud yn gwybod beth i ddisgwyl i dweud mae o'n effernol mae'n wedig a bit competitive mod effernol o toxic dwi'n mynd yn neud mic na siarad yn y chat. Mae os yna un boi sydd wedi mynd off a ffocin tra chwarae fath o Call of Duty a wedyn, os dwi'n cael ei llaw mynd oed, mae'n rhaid bai o pob arall. Beth am? What? What are you doing here? Dwi'n enjoyo fo ddo. Dwi'n jyst yn gytys gyda'n tîm. So dwi'n licio os gyda fi fatha fi a 4 arall yn chwarae fo'n lot. Hynna dwi'n teimlo'n reid competent fel tank support. Ran DPS dwi'n mynd rili chwarae lot yna fo. Os dwi'n gallu cael hyd i tîm, criw o bobl sy'n sy'n joio fo gymaint o fi. Dwi'n real fun da. Fatha, game lle sy'n just about colli. Game yn bygio fi o gwbl. Absolutely ddim. Os yma dwi'n licio hynny. Ond mae'r games fatha... lle ti'n cael y steamrollio. French? No, Welsh. So,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Objective unlocks in 30 seconds.
it's still very toxic ydy fucking nudity sy'n jumpio rownd lle a bod nuts.
I will escort the robot.
A mae Moira'n broken.
I need to be healed. Not so fast. Our push is underway. Double. Healing requested. Do not move. Forward spawn active.
Okay, so dyn ni'n taf yma.
Just getting started.
Stad! Ie, mae'n free to play wan di.
Failure is a chance to grow.
Hei, fi ddweud, di pob ddim yn toxic. As in, 5%, 10% o games dwi wedi cael lle maen nhw'n toxic.
Block their path.
Ond, basta eisiau hon. Mero. Just a push-up. Basically, pa bynnag sy'n iwsio chat neu'r voice, maen nhw'n... Maen nhw wastad yn... Pobl yn meddwl nhw di leader y grŵp yn deitha chdi be i neud. Neu maen nhw'n toxic, neu maen nhw'n ddau. Dwi byth iwsio voice, de.
Pushing forward. They're moving their barricade. Stop them.
Natty fucking shots! Natty fucking shots! Gan i hwnna.
What is ours? Onward.
Ti'n... Pan ti'n ymwyd?
My ultimate is charging. Make way.
Lle mae tîm fi? Seriously? Hyn dwi'n frustrated o'n.
Stop the enemy immediately.
pushing. Let's take care of
Dwi'n lle dweud reit amlwg
I will never rest.
pwy sy'n chwarae fath o tîm a pwy sy'n ddim yn chwarae fath o tîm, de. So ti'n gwybod dysgu dal dy dafod chydig bach.
Sending TS1 to the barricade.
Stat! Ie, dwi'n joio'r gem. A fatha, ti yn cael fatha rhyw 4-5 gem lle ti'n teimlo fatha mae'n cool.
Enemy team is taking the lead. Girls on the hull.
Ond mae matchmaking a start sy'n just... Lle mae tîm? Be ti'n da? Oh my... So, hyn dwi'n gwybod stopio neud. Pan mae o'n cyddiad o fanna? Moira, de, just...
Missteps still lead forward.
Pam ti fanna? Pan ti di dod holl ffordd nôl?
Stay put. A taste of poison.
Block their path.
It's a push wedyn, a dyn mynd yn holl o pointless, as yn point.
They will not break me. Play of the game.
Yma, ti'n gweld yr... Ti'n gweld y pobl mynd yn... Y problem ydy, a pob sy'n chwarae DPS rwan yn pobl free to play mewn nhw'n gwybod y cwbl a maen nhw'n rhoi bai o pob arall. Dwi'n bell i ffwr o... Ond fanna dwi eisiau cyrraedd, hwn dwi eisiau unlockio. Ond actually, dwi wedi gwneud challenges i gyd o'n da. So, this is done. Oce, rwan fydd o'n frustrating. Dwi'n dod yma. Dwi'n neud hynna.
Now traveling to Paris, prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Na.
Amid discord, we will find tranquility.
By your design.
Pondering anything unusual? Dangerous?
No, never.
Our mission awaits us.
Dwi'n bad feel am y rownd yma.
Feel a sweet burst coming on. Roadhog, give me a beat. Roadhog?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
sound just fills me up. Special delivery. Shields buckling.
Strat. How used to with the maker. Oh fucking hell, that says.
I should think that one over again.
Great minds are always persecuted. Hello.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
No one can hide from my sight.
Hot hat. Justice reigns from above. I should think that one over again.
Another day, another battlefield. Stay alive for me.
Fucking hell.
Thanks for the help. Get into the field. Regen up. Immortality field deployed. Let them up. Nice to be the patient for a change. Round of healing.
Don't worry, I'll be right behind you. Let me take a look. Get them off me.
Oh my god, what's this?
Misery made manifest. I'm under attack.
Fucking Moira.
Complete.
Oh, they went GG there.
Score 0.
Daddy Dong 69.
Sides.
There was.
I will not leave a broken world behind.
Does it bother you that you've taken as many lives as you've saved?
I don't mind killing monsters. But go on. Keep pushing me.
Let's
to the beach after this. I won't tell if you don't.
More field research? Grand.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Stay focused. We have everything we need.
Taste of poison.
Stand up straight. That's you, more limb.
Increasing altitude.
Bionic healing ready for use.
Concussive out.
Suiting up. Look at the party.
I've got you. Kinship MA. Taking care of you. Hush now. I'm under attack.
Savgnci.
I go out on my terms.
Bionic healing ready for use.
Healing fortified. I'm here. Keep fighting. You're powered up. Get in there.
Flipping hell.
I won't give in. We're outnumbered. Be careful. Healing you.
Excellent team.
Taking care of you.
Surrender to my will.
Take this. Help me.
Rocket barrage incoming.
Nah. Not happening.
I still have some fight in me.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Down. I have you. Keep fighting.
Activating self-destruct sequence. Suiting up.
Fuck.
I still have some fight in me. Not forgetting the payload, are we? I won't let you fall.
Transporting the payload.
Enemy in sight.
Oh my god.
Nodding off. No wonder I can't retire. I'm here. Keep fighting. You're powered up. Get in there.
Fucking chip.
I go out on my terms.
Push the payload. Win the fight.
The payload moves.
Fucking chip.
Incoming.
Fucking chip.
I'm not finished.
Seconds.
We don't have much longer. Time to clutch this.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
You're covered.
Tactical visor activated.
Stand up straight.
60 seconds.
Keep aiming. You'll have to try harder than that.
Are we moving the payload or what?
Sit for the part.
Fucking.
30 seconds.
Bitch, dit is gewoon heel erg te willen. Fucking hell. Fucking. Discussie, die gewoon fucking.
10 seconds remaining.
Stand up straight. You're powered up. Get in there. I'm not finished.
I need help.
Play of the game.
Healing shot. Fucking Moira, ja. Oh my god, that's it. It's a game.
Welcome to Hogwarts.
I am always ready to learn.
Locked and loaded. Who's ready to get this done?
Hi.
I'll see this matter resolved.
Hey.
Hello, hello.
Oh,
Mission
no.
readiness protocols engaged. I'm good to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A. Engaging thrusters. Dusting off.
Objective captured.
Oh my god, we know my land.
We are outnumbered. Preparing internal defense.
I aim to devastate. The spider is hungry.
My god, the list. Whoa.
Careful, we're outnumbered.
Double
Taking the objective. Anyone in?
You can't hide from me forever. You didn't like my present?
Activating
Let me take out.
Flew right into my web. They outnumber us. Watch out.
vexing. No one can hide from my sight. 60 seconds.
Rains from above.
This objective's got my name on it. Could have yours. Step Rider.
Not working. Not.
Brigitte at your
I'm the last one you'll ever cross.
group up here. You.
Let's stick together.
30 seconds remaining.
Clock's ticking. Get the lead out.
Fuck.
10 seconds.
It's high time.
This town just ain't big enough.
Empty, empty.
Score 0-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Ah, disabled.
Come on, Snowball. They need our help. 这个世界需要我们。
We must all find a cause worth fighting for.
Does it bother you that you've taken as many lives as you've saved?
I don't mind killing monsters. But go on. Keep pushing me.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
What? And leg. I can't move.
Fuck, you know.
Defeat.
What?
Wel, hoe embarrassing.
Traveling to the right.
Don't worry, I'll be right behind you.
You've been distant lately, Lacroix.
By your design.
Pondering it.
Ivor snapping. Did anyone read the mission brief?
I'm here to support. Boosting your damage.
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Stop the payload.
You are much too old for this.
Fucking hell, be chdi to neud o fyna?
Ich sollte schnell zurück.
Ash here.
I am empowering you.
Our fates are entwined.
I'm fine outside. Let's get it together.
Flipping hell.
Now, where am I needed?
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
I am here to support. Cover me. On you.
Eyes open now.
Come here.
As above, so
Come on, nu.
Here to help. You are much too old for this. My skills are still needed.
Escuntando, via?
You'll be fine now.
Helden sterben nicht.
Cover me. The enemy is being revived. Let me see what I can do. Justice. Here to help.
Fuck.
Nerf this. Zeit für einen neuen Plan. Right by you. There's much for you to do. I could use some assistance.
Fucking... Jeszcze będę batła noce.
Amid discord.
The payload has reached tranquility.
would be appreciated. It takes 100 times to learn, 1,000 times to understand. What joy to share the path with another.
Oh, stoppia Nina!
Is within your grasp.
I have loaded.
Wedyn marw naw gwaith.
A temporary
60
setback.
seconds remaining.
This ends now.
Eases to my friend.
Embarrassing. Fucking embarrassing.
Score 0-3. Switching sides. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
O, paid â chwarae hwnna eto.
Breaking me down just builds me up.
I will see this task completed.
No unnecessary risks. Don't worry.
Maybe.
I'll keep our medics safe.
Fi'n mynd i rysio ni mor dda wan.
Does
Hyn
everyone
yn.
know the plan?
4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Escort the payload.
Cover the payload. We're moving out. I'm under attack. I can use some assistance. Barrier's not in good shape. Barrier down. Get back. I'll cover you. Barrier down. Get back. Thanks. I'm under That's not gonna stop me. Looking better already. Placing shield.
Step right up.
Let me take care of that for you.
Booting up.
Pam ti'n un na?
Shields under fire. Heroes never die. Won't hold much longer. I'm under attack. Barrier down. Get back. I'm getting used to this. Helping you recover.
Protect the payload.
Rally to me. Shields up. Cannot escape me. Shields buckling. Barrier's not in good shape. Cover the payload. We're moving out. Looking better already. Let me take care of that for you. I can protect you. Special delivery. I'm taking damage. Barrier won't hold much longer.
Come on, it.
I'll remember that for next time. I'll come every block. Sending care your way. Shields under fire. Copy.
The way is clear. Moving the payload.
Shields up. Let me take care of that for you.
There's much for you to do.
We're outnumbered. Careful. I'll come every block.
Fucking steer.
I'll remember that for next time. Raising shield. Shield buckling. Rally to me.
Oh my god.
Hang on, T.
Teleporter manifested.
Fucking mate.
Shields under fire.
Fucking hell, mate.
To my will. Let me help you with that. Time's almost up. We need to work together. How can you? I will not let you fall. Thanks, Angela.
10 seconds.
When you're close, I'll protect you the most.
Defeat. Play of the game.
Wel, hynna'n crap oedd. Dyma, dwi'n tilted. Gonna call it a night. Call it offline. So, un game arall. Competitive, fucking... Fi'n fucking tank. It's gadael fi fucking attackio. Come on. Give me a good game. Un game da, dwi'n siŵr. O'n i os ni hitio level 70. Get to there, 50 days, oedd eis so wedi cyrraedd yma mewn 50 days. Da. Un. Nuts. Fucking nuts. Yeah, 18 hours left. Are we gonna get 15 kills? This mynd i panad. Diolch o bobl yn gwachad. Dwi am gael un call it quits o hwnna. 5 minutes. Fucking tank, dwi'n siŵr hwnna. Na, dwi'n mynd. Very unsuccessful stream. Fory is a new day. Fory fyddai'n awesome yn Overwatch, guaranteed. Ond tan hynny. Game. Game, na. Un game ar ôl.
Arriving at Watchpoint Gibraltar. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Okay, come on. Please be a mercy. Please be a mercy. Please be a mercy. Yes! Last chance saloon.
Together then strike them down.
Take care of each other out there.
Over here.
Amplifying your power.
Hey there, Moira. How have you been?
Busier than you, I'd assume.
I missed you too. You look great, by the way.
Same saccharine tongue. Same empty head.
Greetings.
Heightening your capabilities.
5,
Stand behind me, friends.
3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Escort the payload.
The payload is under my protection. Join me.
A cure for all the gales.
byd gwirion. Pointing them kills.
Rocket barrage
Bastard! Okej, baby hwnna.
I will never tire of chip payload. Can't stop here. There's glory on the line.
enemy contact.
To push on. Baby hwnna. Ddim angen neud byn eisiau nawr.
I can take more than that.
60 seconds remaining.
Violently moving the payload.
My ultimate is require assistance at my location.
They're moving the payload. Come with me.
30 seconds.
You're outnumbered. Don't you were out of reach. Ha!
Ah, but in eto.
Going somewhere?
Na, da ddim yn...
10 seconds
This
remaining.
is our final stand. Onward.
They outnumber us. Keep it tight.
Overtime.
Fucking hell!
Helden sterben nicht.
Score
Tracer here.
0-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Only in unity will we find strength.
No unnecessary risks.
Hwn yn mel cech bryd yn chat.
My heart is strong, and my javelin is sharp.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers
Advancing.
Fucking hell, snare, boy.
Going.
My task is not yet finished. The payload is approaching its destination.
Whoa.
Play of the game.
Well done, Cap.
Calculated.
F that. Overwatch shit. Dwi'n seidio. Overwatch Cap. Goodbye.